For the first time in over 2 weeks, South Korea's daily new COVID-19 cases dropped below 200, but hospitals struggle to deal with seriously ill patients after the prolonged recent surge in infections, and the government may still keep the tighter distancing measures in place. Seong-woo has our top story.
South Korea reported 195 new COVID-19 cases on Thursday, the fifth day in a row that the daily tally has been under 300. It's also the first time in over 2 weeks that the number of new infections dropped below the 200 mark. Of the new cases, 188 were locally transmitted, with most of them concentrated in the capital region. Despite the downward trend, however, health officials warn that now is not the time to ease restrictions.
Please don't forget that a moment's carelessness can stop our daily lives for a very long time.
Sporadic cluster infections are still popping up across the nation in places ranging from a kimchi factory to a music tuition academy. And at least 13 medical staff members and 17 patients in hospitals across Seoul, including Asan Medical Center, have tested positive since last week. This comes on top of more infections stemming from churches and the Gwanghwamun Square protest last month. The number of patients in serious condition also jumped by 31 in just a day to hit 154, the highest since the nation reported its first COVID-19 case in late January. The government said it plans to mobilize military hospital beds to accommodate them amid growing concerns over shortages. The proportion of new cases from unidentified transmission routes also reached the record high of 24.4% over the past 2 weeks. Authorities will decide over the weekend on whether it will extend its current level 2.5 social distancing measures beyond this coming Sunday. Meanwhile, the National Assembly has been forced to shut down again after a secretary working for the People Power Party was confirmed with the virus. 3 more deaths were reported Thursday, bringing the total to 329. South Korea has conducted just over 2 million diagnostic tests since January 3rd, with close to 21,000 people testing positive so far. Seong-woo, Arirang News.